Have you ever dreamed of waking up one day and suddenly becoming a millionaire? Now, what if I told you there's a powerful technique that could make you feel like a millionaire in just 24 hours? Before you get too excited, let's be clear. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Instead, it's something far more profound. It's about changing the way you think and feel about money from the inside out. This incredible method comes from the teachings of Neville Goddard, a renowned spiritual teacher whose insights into the power of the human mind have transformed countless lives. His technique has the potential to change your life by reshaping your entire mindset about wealth. Manifesting money isn't just about wishing for cash to magically appear. The real magic lies in shifting your internal feelings about wealth. Think of it like this. If you constantly feel poor and worry about money, your reality is likely to mirror those fears. But if you can change that feeling, even for just one day, you may be amazed at how quickly things can transform in your outer world. That's where Goddard's technique shines, creating a rapid inner shift. You might be wondering, does how I feel about money really matter? Isn't it just about how much I actually have? Here's where it gets fascinating. Neville Goddard believed our thoughts and feelings are incredibly powerful, shaping the reality we experience. He taught that the world we see around us is a reflection of our internal state. So if you're constantly feeling lack and scarcity, you're broadcasting a message to the universe that says, "Keep me poor." But when you change that inner message, even for a single day, you begin attracting new possibilities. Who was Neville Goddard? He wasn't just some self-help guru. He was a respected spiritual teacher who lived from 1905 to 1972, known for his deep understanding of the mind's creative power. He wrote numerous books and gave countless lectures on the transformative power of imagination. His teachings revolve around a powerful idea: assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. In other words, if you want to become a millionaire, vividly imagine and truly feel as if it has already happened. This isn't about pretending, it's about creating such a strong sense of belief that your subconscious mind accepts it as reality. So, how does this one-day millionaire technique work? It's surprisingly simple, but profoundly impactful. For one entire day, you'll live as if you're already a millionaire. It's not about reckless spending or deception. Instead, it's about embodying the mindset, emotions, and confidence of someone who is abundantly wealthy. The reason this technique focuses on just one day is that it's manageable and intensely powerful. Committing to a new mindset for 24 hours is doable and gives your subconscious mind a powerful taste of what it's like to feel wealthy. Preparation is key. Take some time to visualize what being a millionaire means to you. How would your daily life look if money were no object? What kind of home would you live in? How would you spend your time? And how would your relationships change? The clearer your vision, the more effective this exercise will be. Once you've crafted your vision, plan out your day in detail. Perhaps you imagine waking up in a luxurious bedroom, enjoying a gourmet breakfast, and spending the day doing things you love without worrying about the cost. While you may not be able to transform your home overnight, small changes can make a big difference. Use your best dishes, light a beautiful candle, or place fresh flowers around your space to reinforce the feeling of abundance. Your appearance can also impact how you feel. Wear clothes that make you feel successful and confident. It doesn't have to be a suit if that's not your style. Maybe it's your nicest outfit or something that makes you feel powerful. The key is to dress in a way that supports your wealthy mindset. Adopt the mindset of a wealthy person. It's not about arrogance, it's about confidence, ease, and generosity. Wealthy individuals often have a relaxed attitude about money, knowing that it flows abundantly. Cultivate this feeling throughout the day. Take note of the habits wealthy people have, like reading financial news, networking, or investing in personal growth, and incorporate some into your day. Gratitude is another critical component. Throughout your millionaire day, practice deep gratitude for everything you have, from your health and relationships to your opportunities. This feeling of abundance will attract even more blessings into your life. And if doubts creep in, don't be discouraged. Acknowledge them. but gently guide yourself back to the mindset of abundance. Wealthy people often prioritize self-care, so make time for activities that nurture your well-being. Whether it's a luxurious bath, a delicious meal, or time spent on a favorite hobby, remember that in your millionaire life, you have the time and resources to care for yourself fully. End your day with reflection. How did it feel to live as a millionaire? What insights did you gain, and how can you carry that sense of abundance into your everyday life? Remember, the goal isn't to feel disappointed when you return to your usual routine. Instead, use the experience as a catalyst for lasting change, asking yourself, what would my millionaire self do in real-life situations? This technique aligns with the law of attraction, where focusing on wealth and abundance can attract those very experiences. It's about shifting your energy and mindset so that you're more receptive to opportunities and confident in taking inspired action. Though this exercise won't magically put millions in your bank account overnight, it can set in motion the beliefs and actions that lead to real tangible change. By practicing this technique, you're planting seeds for a wealthier future, rewiring your subconscious, and opening yourself up to new possibilities. So why not give it a try? Embrace the experience, have fun, and see how it begins to transform your life in ways you never imagined. Here's to your wealthy, abundant future, one day at a time.